Hello everyone, how are you doing? So this week I wanted to do very simple and easy recipe and made out of ingredients that are easily available and accessible anywhere in the world. Since it's spring, we gotta add those spring flavors, right? So we must have those citrus flavors in there. And I believe it's a French cuisine recipe and it's called lemon yogurt cake. My name is Bhavni and without any further delay, let's get started. Oh, before we get started, I really want to let you know that your support means a lot to me. So please like, share and subscribe to this channel so maybe we can all do many more kitchen gambles together and stay connected. And now let's get started.
Let us start by mixing all dry ingredients. Please make sure to sift your almond flour so that you will not have any lumps except for the lemon zest that you're going to add to the flour. And make sure to mix it well. Feel free to add more lemon zest if you like the flavor. Keep it aside and start blending all wet ingredients together in a separate bowl. Start with beating eggs and add one liquid ingredient at a time. It's really important to mix one liquid ingredient at a time because you want all liquids and fats emulsify together and form a thick liquid mix. Try to avoid olive oil in this mix because it will give a different flavor. Once the wet ingredient mix is ready, mix wet and dry ingredients together and mix well to avoid any lumps. The batter may look a little runny compared to regular cake mix, but trust me, it's gonna be fine. Preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit and grease your pan generously with butter. Bake the cake at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes, and when you run a toothpick or fork, it should come almost clean. The center may be still juggly, but it's fine. If the edges or top looks burnt or brown and the center is not properly cooked, create a tin-like shape aluminum foil and cover the tin and then bake at increments of 2 minutes until the center is almost cooked. While the cake is cooling down, make your lemon syrup by using 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of powdered sweetener. Once the cake is cooled down, brush the cake with lemon syrup gently and drizzle with powdered sweetener per your taste. Garnish with more lemon zest or shavings, whatever you like, and it's completely optional. The cake is not too sweet and not overpowering, and the center of the cake is super moist and light and delicate. It's just delicious. I mean, look at the texture. It's airy, it's moist, and it's not dense, and it's perfect for a snack or dessert. Thank you so much for checking out my recipe. If you like, please do subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram.